Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 9. The Prince's Anxiety. Long years passed by. Long years passed by. The castle was covered by a deep forest. The castle was covered by a deep forest. Tall thorns blocked the path. Tall thorns blocked the path. People did not come near. People did not come near. It was called the Sleeping Castle. It was called the Sleeping Castle. Only an old story remained. Only an old story remained. 100 years was drawing near. 100 years was drawing near. In one kingdom, there was a young prince. In one kingdom, there was a young prince. The prince was a brave man. The prince was a brave man. He liked to go on journeys. He liked to go on journeys. One day, he came to the forest. One day, he came to the forest. He saw an old tower in the distance. He saw an old tower in the distance. The prince stopped his horse. The prince stopped his horse. What kind of castle is that? What kind of castle is that? An old man nearby answered. An old man nearby answered. That is the Sleeping Castle. That is the Sleeping Castle. A princess sleeps inside. A princess sleeps inside. For 100 years in all. For 100 years in all. Many people entered before. Many people entered before. None of them came back. None of them came back. The old man shook his head. The old man shook his head. The prince looked at the castle. The prince looked at the castle. His heart moved strongly. His heart moved strongly. I want to meet that princess. I want to meet that princess. The old man tried to stop him. The old man tried to stop him. But the prince stepped forward. But the prince stepped forward. He got off his horse and began to walk. He got off his horse and began to walk. He stopped before the thorns. He stopped before the thorns. Then something strange happened. Then something strange happened. The hard thorns began to move. The hard thorns began to move. The branches opened to each side. The branches opened to each side. A single path was made. A single path was made. The prince watched in surprise. The prince watched in surprise. The 100 years had been fulfilled. The 100 years had been fulfilled. The prince moved quietly. The prince moved quietly. Even the birds did not sing. Even the birds did not sing. Even the wind made no sound. Even the wind made no sound. The gate opened by itself. The gate opened by itself. The prince entered the castle. The prince entered the castle. Inside, time had stopped. Inside, time had stopped. Soldiers slept at the gate. Soldiers slept at the gate. Dogs were curled up and sleeping. Dogs were curled up and sleeping. The cook was still asleep. The cook was still asleep. The king and queen were sleeping. The king and queen were sleeping. The prince went farther inside. The prince went farther inside. He climbed the old stairs. He climbed the old stairs. He headed for the tower room. He headed for the tower room. He stopped before the door. He stopped before the door. His heart was beating fast. His heart was beating fast. The time of fate had come. The time of fate had come. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.